Flirting with a 59, Tim Clark matched his lowest round on the PGA Tour with a 62 Saturday at the Deutsche Bank Championship.
Welcome to PGA Tour Today, brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants.
The South African took a cue from Canada's Mike Weir and also got close to being the first international to shoot a 59 on the PGA Tour. While the opportunity was lost, Clark has a chance to convert his first victory on the PGA Tour. He's the 36-hole leader at TPC Boston. Welcome to PGA Tour Today. I'm Wynn McMurray. At 40th in the FedEx Cup rankings, Clark is stalking a seat in the Tour Championship, a chance to win the FedEx Cup, and a breakthrough victory. 14 under par for the tournament, he holds a one-stroke lead over Mike Weir at the halfway point. Clark is the highest ranked player on the PGA Tour money list without a career win. The 32-year-old has won over $11 million on tour since 2001. The North Carolina State product recorded his fifth runner-up finish at the Crowne Plaza Invitational at Colonial earlier this season. He also finished runner-up at the 2006 Masters tournament. Here's a look at Clark's second round scorecard. He started on the back nine with 5 birdies to go out in 30, then went birdie, eagle, and then eagle again. But with the 59 on his mind, Clark closed bogey. Weir followed up his first round 61 with a 68 Saturday and sits solo second at 13 under par. The last time he recorded his first 2 rounds in the 60s, Weir won the 2007 Fry's Electronics Open, which is the 8-time PGA Tour champion's most recent victory. 2 strokes off the lead, Ben Curtis and last week's winner Vijay Singh are 12 under par. While Singh is first in the FedEx Cup rankings, Curtis, who finished tied for 4th at the Barclays and tied for 2nd before that at the PGA Championship, is 8th in the rankings. While Singh is staring at his 3rd win in the month of August, the 2003 British Open champion is looking for his first victory since 2006. 2-time 2008 major champion Padraig Harrington missed his 2nd straight cut in the playoffs, finishing 1 short of the cut line despite following up his first round 75 with a 65 Saturday. NBC Sports picks up the 3rd round coverage of the Deutsche Bank Championship Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. The PGA Tour Network on XM 146 and on PGAtour.com is live at noon.
PGA Tour Today is brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants, delivering new thinking for a changing world.